Let's say you don't have a drafting table. This is my kitchen table. You could take your paper and tape it down to here. And I have here a carpenter's square. This is 24 by 18. Sorry, 24 by 16. I could tape it down. I could use this as my straight edge going side to side. And then I could use the side going up and down. So that's one solution to not having your own drafting table with a straight edge, or having a T-square. I don't happen to have a T-square handy. A T-square you would use along the table here, and just run it up and down. So I can clamp this, but what I'm going to do instead, that's one option. You can clamp it or tape it down. So I'm just going to use this extended straight edge along the table edge. Actually, it doesn't have to be at the table edge, but I'm going to put it here at the table edge because I'm going to use a clamp to clamp it down. It's a regular little C-clamp. Clamp down the corner over here. And if I had another one, I'd use it, but I don't have it handy. So I'm going to use this big old quick grip on the other end to hold this down. So now I have a straight edge. Now I can take this and use it left and right. Let me tape this down and show you what I'm going to do. Use Scotch tape for this. Use drafting dots for this, or paper tape. This is what I have handy here in the kitchen. There we go. So now I can use my triangle for left and right for all my vertical lines, nice and straight. And then for my horizontal lines, use another triangle. So you'll hold this one here, and then move this one up and down. So we're going to do some perspective work. We use a larger triangle, just like so. Okay.